of this year's Young Artist Showcase. Grassroots to Champions Ankle Buzzer, Champion Chords, and Champion Skating Harness. Good luck, everyone, at Young Artist Showcase.
What I want from you is your voice.
My voice?
You've got it, sweet cakes. No more talking, singing, zip.
But without my voice, how can I...
You'll have your looks, your pretty face. And don't underestimate the importance of body language.
Hi, Sarah. Don't you look pretty today?
You are just too cute.
My goodness, you are just such a doll. Show us your dress. Come on, twirl around your dress.
Twirl around
Yep,
for
he's
us.
Daddy's little
She can
princess.
be such a brat, but just look at that face. I just can't stay mad at her.
With a face like that, she could get away with murder.
Sarah, get down from there right now. You're going to get your dress dirty.
You can't play with us. You run like a girl.
Oh, sweetie, don't cry. When boys push you down, it means they like you.
They like you.
Hi, Sarah. Oh my gosh, I love your new jacket.
You are turning into such a pretty young lady.
She's gonna be a heartbreaker. Sarah, I love your hair.
You are turning into such a pretty young lady.
Act like a lady. Behave yourself.
Ladies don't do that.
Well, nobody likes a bossy girl.
Don't be so bossy. You throw like a girl. Ew, she's a tomboy.
She's too much of a tomboy.
Extend. Stretch. Push. Point. Point. Higher. Push. Faster. Stretch. Faster. Extend. Point. Push. Again. Again.
Figure skating is not a real sport.
Figure skaters aren't athletes.
Aw, you're too pretty to look that sad. Come on, give us a smile.
Hi, Sarah. You're looking good out there on the ice.
Yep, she's Daddy's little scientist. Good job on that A+.
Sarah, you're pretty brilliant.
Sarah, what book are you reading?
I love how adventurous you are. You are kind, you are strong.
Sarah,
I love your compassion. You can change the world. Strong. You are smart. You are confident. You can change the world.
You are kind.
I am kind.
You are smart.
I am smart.
You are strong.
I am strong.
You are confident.
I am confident.
You can change the world.
I can change the world.
Thank heaven for little girls. For little girls get bigger every day. Thank heaven for little girls. They grow up in the most delightful way. Those little eyes so helpless and appealing, one day will flash and send you crashing through the ceiling. Thank heaven for little girls. Thank heaven for them all, no matter where, no matter who. Without them, what would little boys do? Thank heaven, thank heaven, thank heaven for little girls. those little eyes so helpless and appealing. One day will flash and send you crashing through the ceiling. Thank heaven for little girls. Thank heaven for them all, no matter where, no matter who. Without them, what would little boys do? Thank heaven